In this guide, we will explore essential details about the 2019 Ford F-650 fuse box. Where can you locate the fuse box in your vehicle, and how do you interpret the fuse box diagram? What are the different fuse functions and their corresponding locations? Power distribution box. The 2019 Ford F-650 power distribution box efficiently manages power flow to essential systems, protecting circuits and components. It houses relays and fuses for key functions like lights, engine, and auxiliary equipment. Easy access design aids in quick maintenance and troubleshooting. Passenger compartment fuse panel. The 2019 Ford F-650 passenger fuse panel protects interior circuits like radio, climate, and windows. Easily accessible, it prevents overloads and allows quick fuse replacement, enhancing safety and reliability.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on 2019 Ford F-650 fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe. For more tips, thanks for watching.